Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Miftah Herati. You can call me Mita. I was born in Jakarta 21st June 2001. I am currently studying 3 years student at Faculty Social Science, majoring Pancasila and Civic Education at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. My address at Perumahan Villa Masinda, Block B3, number 12, Bekasi, West Java. History of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Universitas Negeri Jakarta, or UNJ, is one of famous university in capital city of Jakarta. UNJ has the other name that is IKIP Jakarta since August 4, 1999, changed to Universitas Negeri Jakarta or UNJ based on Kepres 093/1999 dated August 4, 1999, and the inauguration was carried out by the President of the Republic Indonesia on August 31, 1999 at the State Place. Universitas Negeri Jakarta, as the campus of this movement, was founded on May 16, 1964. In the beginning, UNJ was an institute of teacher training and education, or IKIP. Before becoming IKIP, the government has established various teacher education courses to address the problem of the lack of education personnel in Indonesia. In 1950, the government established course B1, B2, and PGSLP to facilitate secondary school teacher. Then the government established a teacher education college PTPG. However, it was deemed ineffective, so that the two institutions were eventually merged. The institutions was eventually integrated into the Teaching and Education Faculty, or FKIP, at the University of Indonesia. Previously, UNJ, known as IKIP Jakarta, has been in demand by many high school graduates from all over Indonesia. The campus, which produces educators, is known to have excellent accreditation. The campus which produces educators is known to have excellent accreditation. Based on decision of Ban PT SK 763/SK/Ban PT /Akred/PT 7/2015, which is valid until July 10, 2020. Most of the study programs at UNJ are accredited A. UNJ, of course, affect the quality of the teaching staff, the teaching study program curriculum, the coordination of the implementation of education and its facilities, and most importantly, the condition of UNJ students. Universitas Negeri Jakarta, or UNJ, has two fields of education, namely the education sector and the non-education sector. Okay. The education sector is carried out in all study programs at UNJ as a Institusi Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, or IKIP Jakarta. This education sector program was developed optimally after the IKIP Jakarta had expanded its mandate to become a university. UNJ held a non-education sector program with a D3 program and an undergraduate program level. The existing non-education programs will continue to be developed and improved in quality, while other study programs will be opened gradually. In completing their students can choose the thesis path, the innovative work pathway, can pathway or the comprehensive understanding pathway. The study completion path is determined after students obtain a minimum of 100 credits with a composition of courses in accordance with the recruitment set by respective department or study program. The credit load for the three pathways is a minimum of 144 credits. Academic life. Almost 6 months, we are attacked by COVID-19 as a global pandemic. The victims are not the ordinary people but also the student, which is I am a student. I am the student of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. When the pandemic is broke out in Indonesia, the campus who I am studying immediately closed. Now, all learning activities on campus by learning online. Actually, I am happy study at home every day, but staying at home for a long time is also good. But sometimes I'm bored. I miss all the moments in my class. In my study program, I miss them. The thing that I really miss also in academic life on campus is that I miss moments with the lecturers who are so very kind and friendly. For me, if I can choose one between study at home or classroom on campus, Corona pandemic has changed all aspects of life. All activities are carried out online because of the prohibition on leaving the house to break the chain of spreading the virus, which has many victims. The concept of education has also changed. Previously, the teaching and learning process was carried out face-to-face. Now, using various social networking applications. Hopefully, this pandemic will end quickly and the teaching and learning process can be carried out normally again. Facilities in UNJ. There are some facilities in Faculty of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. The facility is very important in a college to support the study. Some of the facilities down below. First, classroom. Classroom is very important for the students for support the study going well. As a prospective student, you must know, yes, the classroom halls for each faculty must know. I mean, the classroom halls for each faculty at UNJ are scattered in various buildings. The Faculty of Social Science has some floors in building consists of 4 floors. Some of the floors is including 4 classroom. The second is main laboratory. The laboratory by Universitas Negeri Jakarta to support the development of education and research carried out by lecturers and students. The laboratory is equipped with computers, teaching aids, simulated organs, televisions, tape recorders, loudspeakers, earphones, substance or chemical and technical materials available according to needs of the faculty. Study program in the fields of science and technology as well as social humanities are education technology, counseling guidance, electronics, geometry and mechanics, chemistry, geomechanics, material testing, computers, clothing designs, culinary beauty knowledge. The next studios. Here are several studios available, namely Visual Communication and Design Studio, Ceramic Studios, Ceramic Photo Studio, and Music and Dance Studio, The Fine Arts Study program has two studios located in Building F with operating hours from 8. Furthermore, there is Dance Study program which has 3 studios in the Dewi Sartika buildings on the first floor with operational hours 7 o'clock p.m. until 5 o'clock p.m. The Music Arts Study program has 6 studios in the S buildings with the same operating hours as the Dance Study program. Fourth, main library. UNJ also has a central library which is located on Campus A Rawamangun. This library facilitates students in terms of knowledge source with an open service system for book collection or can be borrowed, and closed for collection of scientific works or read on the spot. Universitas Negeri Jakarta Library consists of 6 floors. First floor for bag storage service, second floor for membership service, third floor for general collection service, and fourth floor digital collection processing room, discussion room service, and facilities for people with disabilities. On the fifth floor, reference or reference book collection service. On sixth floor, there are scientific collection service such as thesis and dissertation, as well as photocopying service. When the student can use the service at the library, the following is the operational schedule for Universitas Negeri Jakarta Library. The fifth is the graduate building. In graduate building, there are some facilities, library facilities as a means of learn. I mean, apart from the postgraduate program library, there is also a central library and faculty libraries that can be used by students and lecturers. The book facilities in the PPS UNJ library are 1 books consisting of 4,872 titles totaling 17,077 pieces, and 2 journals consisting of 30 titles totaling 62 pieces. Books consisting of 48,510 titles totaling 1,027,542 pieces, and journals consisting of 818 titles totaling 62 pieces. In general, the use libraries by students and lecturers of study program is quite good.